Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 965 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up button. Once the menu opens, scroll through it, find the system option, and once you find it, tap on it. Here find the option called the time, and once you find it, tap on it. Now find the option called set time. By default it will be auto, but if you want to change the time manually, you will need to tap on set time, select manual, and then you can tap on time, and here we can change the time to our liking. You can swipe up and down on hours, and then minutes, and then PM and AM. And once you're done, you can press the start button twice to confirm, and the time should change. You can also change the time format and date format if you like to. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.